In this video, I will be showing you how to use Napkin AI to create organized student notes and study guides. Let's get started. I'll begin by selecting the option to describe my idea so the AI can draft the content for me. In the prompt box, I am typing a request for a concise, structured summary of the photosynthesis process, specifically asking for sections on light-dependent reactions and the Calvin cycle with clear bullet points. Once that's ready, I click Next. Now, I'll wait a moment while the AI generates the text. It automatically creates a professional title, an abstract, and a detailed overview. To make these notes more effective for studying, I want to add some visuals. I'll click on the blue lightning bolt icon next to the light-dependent reaction section to pull up some suggestions. On the left-hand panel, a variety of AI-generated visuals appear. After clicking the generated visual icon, I can choose the style I want, and after choosing, I can also select the specific design of that style. Once it's placed in the document, I can start editing the visual to look exactly the way I want. I'll repeat this process for the Calvin cycle section, selecting a circular diagram that perfectly illustrates the cycle's flow. It's a great way to turn a wall of text into something much more digestible. Finally, once I'm happy with the notes and diagrams, I'll click the Share button at the top right and select Export PDF. I'll choose my layout settings and hit Download. My study guide is now ready to use, complete with clear text and helpful diagrams, and there you have it. That's the complete process of using Napkin AI for student notes and study guides.